Hi everyone, in this course, we're going to learn how to troubleshoot the multi-viewer problem of H-Series products. For now, we got H2, H5, H9, and H15. No matter which model H-Series product you use, to get multi-viewer working, we need to make sure the hardware connection is correct first. So here's a diagram to show how we connect the multi-viewer cards, the main board of H-Series products, and also on the laptop. So we need to get a router or network switch and connect the PC and the main control card of H-Series products and also the multi-viewer cards to the same router and make sure they are all in same network segment. After finishing the hardware connection, we need to go to the web software of H-Series and to do the network configuration. So come to your browser, any of them, but we recommend it to use the Chrome browser and type in the IP address of H-Series products and hit the enter button and you will come to the login page and type in the username and password and it goes to the web software main page. And you can see there were total have 5 different options on the top, and we need to go to the device page. And come to the device page, they will show the rear panel of H-Series products. And you need to choose MVR card. Just click that card, and they will pop up the network configuration properties on the right. So we can see there were 2 Ethernet ports on MVR cards, but we just need to configure the active one. So, for example, you connected the router and the MVR card to the Ethernet port 1, and you just need to configure the Ethernet port 1. So, type in the IP address and some net masks to make sure the MVR cards is in same network segment with the H-Series product and also with the control PC. And after finish to set up the IP address and subnet mask, you need to go to the input monitor URL and the screen monitor URL and just type in exactly same IP address to the input monitor URL and screen monitor URL. And for the port number, just keep it in default. And after finished all of the settings, like the IP address and the URL, and remember to go to the bottom and click the apply button to send all of the information to the hardware. So that's the whole process for the multi-viewer card configuration. So after that, both the inputs and the screen outputs should be able to preview on the multi-viewer page. But sometimes there were some other strange problems happens, like there were just one of the input cannot be previewed or cannot be monitored on the multi-viewer page. So what can we do to solve this kind of problems? So actually here I got a table to list all of the potential cause of the strange problems. So let's check it out one by one. First one, if there was just one of the inputs cannot be previewed, and we can see the big chance is caused by the video source. So we need to change the video cable. If it's still not work, try to change to a different video source, see what happens. And then the second one is if all of the inputs cannot be previewed, but the screen, the output is good. So in that case, we may think this is an aux card problems. We need to update the firmware to the latest, see what happens. If it solves the problems, it's good. If it's not, you may need to contact NovaStar and ask for repair because the aux card is kind of installed on the motherboard of H-Series products. it cannot be changed or replaced by the customer side. And the third one is both the inputs and output cannot be previewed. So for that kind of problems, you need to check all of the configuration I showed it on above. Make sure the hardware connection is good and the web software configuration is perfect. But if the issue still, and it is the MVR card hardware issues, you need to change the MVR card. So the last one is script preview is different from real display status. For example, the LED screen, there were some problems with the LED screen, but it shows perfect on the multi-viewer page, on the web page software. So in that case, we will know, okay, the screen configuration may have some problems. So try to recreate the mapping file or reload the configuration file, RCFGX file, to fix the problems. So I think that's all for the multi-viewer problems of H-Series products. Thanks for watching.